Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to Monopoly Go Noob to Pro. Firstly, open Monopoly on your device. Next step is to know rules of Monopoly. Make yourself familiar with gameplay, different properties, and trading features that this game offers. Then, familiarize yourself with the master property equation in which one has to own all the properties of a particular group. Buy properties of the same color at the very start of the game. This will enable you to have increased control over the game. Doing so, you can get more rents eventually. After this, you have to make a balance between the investments. Then, Driver's Fiction will provide you with a stream of income. Apart from this, you must upgrade your property. It includes both upgrading of houses and hotels. Another important strategy is to keep in mind the trading aspect of the game. Make sure you negotiate for gaining the trade benefits if needed. The next important thing is to consider your cash flow in Monopoly. Also, you have to be heedful regarding community chest scores and community chest cards. Utilize them when needed. Last but not least, be cautious of your opponents as what strategies are they opting for and what is their financial position. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.